I took the early train. It was like $25. Union Station to Gateway. And then, so first night I stayed in St. Louis last night. I did some touristy things. And I started riding today, this morning at 11. So I just got here. So basically tomorrow I gotta do
electric bike?
Sorry?
Is that an electric bike?
No, regular bike, regular push bike. Tomorrow I gotta do like 65 miles, then like 70, and then 60, and I'll be almost home.
Do you take the highway?
Oh no, just actually there's a lot of cool state park trails and county trails, and there's a bicycle trail right going along the Route 66, the historic route. So like where you see signs, okay, like this way from 1930 to 40, 1940 to 1977 that way. Usually in between some of those two, there's a bicycle trail, and it's paved, it's asphalted. It's nice, it's actually nice.
Not creepy?
No. How do I switch? Because it's telling me America's best value in St. Louis. And it's like, it's saying, that's the 1.4 miles away. It's telling me to pedal to the other one, 340 miles back.
Oh my goodness sakes.
Or, here we go, directions. I just passed Walgreens. So, okay, so Walgreens is there. So I gotta go get back to there. Oh, it's, okay, I gotta make a right by the Taco Bell, and then it's right behind the Walgreens. You're right.
Yep.
All right. Sorry to bother you, Judy.
That's okay, no problem at all.
Have a good night.
You as well.
All right, guys, so that's a major fail. We went to the wrong hotel. See, that's how tired I am, guys. That is how tired yours truly is right now, guys. Okay, that one's soaked. That one's half soaked. Okay. Alright, guys, so small change of plans. No biggie, we're just about like 2 minutes. And it's actually right across the street from the Walgreens. And Aldi right there. Hi. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a right by Taco Bell. Yeah, like the one I stayed in Georgia. Yeah, was certainly one for the bucket list, huh? Like, soon as somebody lit up a cigarette next door, I smelled it. And I could hear the like neighbors everywhere. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at that Chinese place online first for some photos and reviews.
saw. We got a nice selection here, guys. We got Wendy's, we got Mickey D's, we got Taco Bell, oh yeah, it's that little one right here. Right. It's that tiny little bitty thing right there. So I can actually take a nice walk. I could actually take a nice walk to Walgreens, get my medication. So I'm just gonna get some Alka-Seltzer, and then we'll decide where we're gonna eat. Where we're gonna eat tonight. Alright, 71 bucks, guys. America's best value. Why not? Oh. And they welcome me with a big bump. Okay, let's see what they're on about. Yeah, because it's an outside place, that's why. Like it's a standard, traditional outside and I'm gonna ask her if I can get something on the first floor. That would be amazing. Zing, zing, zing.
Guys, all right, wish us luck.